for quarterly progress reports, you're normally here on the assignments tab, right? And we have all our grades filled in. What you're going to do is click here under reporting term, go to the quarter that you need the progress report for. And once you're there, I'm using quarter 4 as an example, and then you click on final grades. When you're here, you're going to fill in your citizenship grades for each student based on your syllabus, and once that's done, then we will click in this section here, double click, and that brings up the comments. You'll go ahead and choose the comment that's appropriate, and you don't need to close. All you need to do here is double click on the next student and select the next comment. Double click on the next student, select the next comment. And once you're finished with everybody, then what you're gonna do is go to report, say okay. We're gonna click on final grade and comment. Once we have that, we're not gonna select top note or bottom note, just the signature line under layout. Right. So when you click on final comment, it's going to be defaulted to criteria, and here it's going to have course, grade, and all. So this is what you're going to see, and you're going to click on additional grades. You're going to come here to reporting term, select S2, and then the quarter that you want. It never lets you automatically select the quarter, so it's always just S2 and then the quarter that you want. Once you have that in place, then we're going to click on layout, and we're not going to select that one or that one. We're going to select the signature line, make sure that's checked off, and we will hit run report. We'll open up the report, and here we go. Right, we'll print this out, sign the bottom, and hand them off to Vanessa. And one thing that you want to remember that I usually forget is your teacher's aides. If you ever have any teacher's aides, this one here is a teacher aide. When we're under score sheet, you have to give him a citizenship grade, of course, and you also need to give him a grade, right, of passing or not passing. So you're going to double click in this section. We're going to go to score, manual override, and your grade will be passing or fail, I believe. Yeah, passing or fail. So of course, they wouldn't be your TA. You wouldn't have accepted them as your TA if they would fail. So we're going to put passing and say close. And of course, we want to add a comment if they have been extremely helpful, right? Maybe student actively helps others learn, and we close it. And then we follow the same process, right? Hit reports, final grade and comments, signature line, under criteria, additional grades, and we want to select the quarter that you want. You see that how it's not allowing me to select quarter 4? So we need to select quarter 2, semester 2, and then quarter 4, and then we run report. Okay, and you need to do this for every one of your periods. And you would think that since you selected quarter 4 for period 3, that it would automatically be defaulted when you go to period 4. That's not the case. So when we go to period, let's say another period 5, we double click, you'll see the reporting term. It is defaulted to all. So we need to do that process over again for each period. Okay, I believe the layout, I believe everything else is defaulted to what you chose earlier. So you see here it's automatically add additional grades. We go to layout. These guys are automatically not checked, and this one is checked, right? So everything else is defaulted to what you did in a previous period. What's not defaulted is this one here, right? So the reporting term, you need to select quarter 4 for each period before you run your report. And I believe that covers everything. Good luck with that.